This is this one back there. That's sunrise though, wow. Gonna have to start waking her up earlier now. We're driving into the sunrise at the rest stop. Why is there so many people here at 7:30 in the morning? Oh, very nice. Chevy fancy truck. Okay. Here we have a 1991 Lamborghini Diablo painted in. Here we have a 1991 Lamborghini Diablo painted in super fly yellow. So this example is a one-owner car, Canadian car, bought new from John Scotty's here in Montreal. Fully original, even the tires are original. So if you look on the tire code, it says 348 over here, which means these tires are probably from 1988 or 1998, depending on the dates, because old tires only have 3 codes, whereas new tires have 4 codes. But let's do a walk around of this car to show you the condition of it. The story behind this car is that it's got about 77,000 kilometers, original kilometers, and the owner has many cars, as you can see over here. So that this was parked in the garage for the longest time and untouched. Maybe once a year he takes it out, but keeps up with the maintenance. Looking at the windshield over here, the Canadian cars, especially Quebec cars, have their VIN number etched into the windows over here and literally every piece of panel, because car thefts happen so often here in Quebec. But this is a one-owner car. If you look at the wheels, 2 or 3 piece wheels, no stone chips. There's a little bit over here, but that's, that's expected. Pretty clean down here. Also pretty clean down here. Let's go inside. Very stiff. Hydraulics works really well though, across like all the platforms. That door, this door, the front, and the back as well. The interior, manual transmission. If you look at the odometer, 7364 kilometers, which is roughly about maybe 4,500, 5,000 miles. Gas pedal, Momo pedals. Manual gearbox. The shift knob's looking very new. It moves very freely, very nice. This is the cigarette ashtray, also very new. The buttons here, all the buttons work. For the lights, they click. Very nice fog lights, dip beams, parking lights, hazards. It's ticking. Very mechanical. Original Alpine radio deck and the climate control cluster with a clock over here. Vents here are good. Dashboard is immaculate. Nothing's broken, nothing's cracked. Rearview mirror, good working shape. The sun visors also really good. There's a pocket on there. Headliner, roof liner, very good condition. 2 lights in the back work. Original Alpines, I think that's a subwoofer in the back. Battery cutoff switch here, very good. Original Diablo seats with red inserts. So as a 7,000 kilometer car, these seats aren't that worn, if you can see. Little warm a little wear marking here, but very smooth. It doesn't feel old. Seat belts retract very smoothly. Blinker stocks are all good. Stay in place. The door card inserts, pristine leather. The VIN number is here intact. The weight and production tire sizes all here also good. Over here you can see the weight, manufacturer, VIN number. Edges of the car, very nice. Leather down here, also very nice. This is the engine cover, we'll get to that in a second. Back of the car. Little pitting here, nothing to be concerned of. Also here, very nice. The rear deck cover. Definitely way better in person than the photos the seller sent me. OZ racing wheels with original tires as well. So these tires are about the same year as the front tires, but the rears are 355s, the fronts are 245s. Very nice. Go here, very clean on the edges here. US Canadian spec, have the side markers. This one came with a wing. Lights, both lights work. We'll show you that in a second. Exhaust pipe. Original non-modified example of the Diablo over here. Badge, the horse, sorry, the bull. Badge, the bull. The more badges. The louvers. The wing, very good condition. Going to the passenger side, the wheel, also very good. There's no curb rashes on anything. Design badge, that's a fuel cap, I think. Yep, very good condition here too. No rust spots. On this side, also VIN numbers on the doors and windows, all matching. Let's go on the passenger side. Good thing is the door opened upwards, so even though it's close-ish to the wall, we can still get in. Passenger side, you can see the leather is also pristine. Lambo floor mats, AC vents work really well. Owner's driving gloves. Passenger seat, also pristine. Well, 7,000 kilometers worth of wear, but nothing too bad. Seatbelt also works very well. Side bowstring, also very nice, very clean. Passenger side door cards, brand new, literally brand new. Door shuts perfectly. You just have to close it a little harder. Close. Edges are good. There's no off seams. Side mirror. Glass is clear. All these seams are good. The rubber is good. The front wheel. Now, these wipers are cool. Carbon fiber wind deflector wipers. Very neat. You don't see these a lot. Modern day cars. All these lights are in working order. Probably turn that on for you in a second. The badges. Let's go to the front. Open that. The latch is over here. Press it. The struts work perfectly. Alpine radio thing. So I'll enter some photos of what are in these bags, but these are basically a toolkit. But the coolest part of this is the original tire inflator kit from Agip with Diablo silhouette, and it says from Lamborghini expires April 1992. Still brand new, unused. Very cool piece. Comes with the car. Original paint color code over here. Superfly yellow. Windshield washer here. Wiper. Look underneath. Also very new, very clean. That's the latch that opens the rear. And the back is open. Very strong gas struts. They don't have to be replaced. Seems like the car is maintained really well. More VIN stickers over here. And this is the engine bay. Just move around here so you can take a look. Caution, high temperature. Probably the muffler. Let's go around to here. Very clean. That's the trickle charger that the owner plugs in when it's parked. All original, non-modified. Very clean example. The original sticker for the oil. Okay, let's close this. It's very smooth. You just click, and the other side clicks, and it's closed. You don't have to slam it or anything. There's no resistance with anything here, so basically brand new. Driver's side mirror, also very clear. You can see my hand, very clear. Close the driver's side door. You gotta close a little harder. Edges are good. Edges are good here too. Let me show you the back of this. Wide angle view. Back of the car, wide angle. The garage is a little crammed for the full one-time zoom, so I'm gonna use the 0.5 for the video. Very nice color. I believe this is the only yellow Diablo that was delivered to Canada when it was new. So these are some photos of the owner's son with the car when he was a baby. This is maybe about 20 years ago. So the black one is one of their friends, but this is this one back there. So it's super cool to see the baby photos of when they were little. There's a mini one there too. Okay, now this is just a Billions Air Club right here. Very cool. Now the owner has kindly brought out their father and son matching jackets from 20 years ago when they were little, and the condition of it is still so very good. So you know that this car is like an enthusiast car. Just look at the garage here. Ferrari seats, posters. The lights, all good. Can you flip on the hazards? Huh? Hazards, blinker. Yep. Hazards are good. We'll go to the back. Side marker lights are good. Tap on the brake. Brake lights are good. We got the horn, it works. Accessory power. Very nice. And when you open a door, it beeps like no tomorrow. Like that. So that you don't forget your key.
1, 2, 3. Can you show that?
Yep, the power windows work too.
Very
in the back, in the middle, there's a glove compartment for whatever you want to put in here. And in there is the owner's manual and the service manual. The original key presentation box are 2 keys and that special Diablo keychain with the original owner's manual. Check out the inside. The pocket. Can you lift the pocket? Oh. Original manual and that Diablo stitching inside. Very cool. The final bit, we have a silk cover, original from Lamborghini for Diablo, because if you look at the back, first of all, it fits the lane. Second of all, it says Diablo in the back. A very rare piece. Ferrari jacket, Ferrari car, Ferrari Taurus, all the race cars. Pretty good day so far, doing 10.2 liters to 100K.